Europe Day is a day celebrating peace and unity in Europe, celebrated on 5 May by the Council of Europe and on 9 May by the European Union. The first recognition of Europe Day was by the Council of Europe, introduced in 1964. The European Union later started to celebrate its own European Day in commemoration of the 1950 Schuman Declaration, leading it to be referred to by some as Schuman Day or Day of the United Europe. Both days are celebrated by displaying the flag of Europe. The Council of Europe was founded on 5 May 1949, and hence it chose that day for its celebrations when it established the holiday in 1964. The Europe Day of the EU was introduced in 1985 by the European Communities. The date commemorates the Schuman Declaration of 9 May 1950, put forward by Robert Schuman, which proposed the pooling of French and West German coal and steel industries. This led to the creation of the European Coal and Steel Community, the first European community, established on 18 April 1951. A raft of cultural icons was launched by the European Commission in 1985 in reaction to the report by the Ad Hoc Commission for a People's Europe chaired by Pietro Adanino. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.